Hi, I'm Colton Weber, also known as K-Webb. I am a graphic technology interactive digital studies major at the University of Northern Iowa, and this is my new project, Need Noise. Even though I started producing music my freshman year in college, music's always been a part of my life, and more importantly, noise has always been a part of my life. I'm obsessed with noise. I need noise. So much so that I learned beatboxing, band, choir, music theory, and to top it all off, my new pastime, found object music. This leads to the idea that everything is beautiful, everything is music, and if everything is music, that means music is always around you, which I find very poetic as someone who listens to music literally everywhere I go. I wear headphones everywhere I go. I find that comforting. So my goal with this project is to make music using unorthodox ideas, objects, and my environment. So I hope you'll join me on this project as I try to make this music and try to prove to the world that music is everywhere and everything is beautiful. So here's the first song called Just Campus Things. If you can't tell from the title and all the clips you've been shown throughout this video, I made it using just things I found on campus of University of Northern Iowa. So enjoy. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. That's real cool, especially for the first one. And I really appreciate that you watched through the whole thing. This bit won't be as scripted as the rest because I just have some thoughts that I want to put out there and some questions to ask you guys. One, this is my first endeavor with YouTube, making videos, editing videos, so I'm looking forward to learning. But I do know that some things I'm doing might not be optimal, and I'm looking to try different ideas. So if you have any ideas, please leave a comment. If you go to my website, which will be linked in the description, you'll be able to find my email where you can email me. I might film the next one with my phone, which is what I'm doing right now, which might be better than the camera I bought, because the camera I bought was not good. But so yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing as far as the video bits are, so let me know if you found things interesting, if you found things boring, because I'm really looking to improve this content and cater it to whoever's watching it. I have some ideas that I'm looking forward to trying. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.